Hello and welcome to our coverage on what is a very soggy night here at the Etihad Stadium in Manchester. I'm Derek Ray, getting ready to bring you all the action, accompanied by my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It is Manchester City up against Manchester United.
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
Real chance. He just let his opponent glide by. Majestic piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he loves the big moments, doesn't he? And he's proved it again there. Great goalkeeping.
Elects to go short. Behind for another corner. Can they cash in? And taken short. Real chance! Great reflex action.
Well, that should have been a goal. Mind you, it's a brilliant save.
But he's gone short with it. And the referee has awarded a corner following that touch. Over it comes. Well, it still could be dangerous. This might be ideal for the counter. They need to get bodies back. And he's in. It's opened up for him. The opening goal of this match. And what a start they've made.
Well, this is really poor defensively. Just look how exposed the keeper is. He's got absolutely no chance there.
Opening goal of the game then. And he's taken it away. Joao Cancelo. De Bruyne at the ready. A decent effort, but the keeper read it all the way. Bruno Fernandes, tackling and winning the ball to boot. Well, no stopping him. And the decision is one of offside here. Intense pressure. City have the ball again. Has eyes for goal! Well, it turned out to be fairly routine for the keeper in the end. Careless in possession. Oh, good vision. Well, there is a very alert goalkeeper for you. It's very attractive attacking football, and Mahrez comes into things now. That's not a bad ball. Terrific piece of anticipation. And it wasn't taxing for the keeper. And City have possession once more. Mahrez. Can he finish this? And a goal! They've added to their lead. Much needed security.
Well, here's the replay, and what a well-delivered cross this is. Perfectly placed, while the movement in the box is equal to it. It's such good timing. What a goal.
It's going their way, 2-0. That's how to rob them of possession. Mahrez. It's one of the saves of the season from De Gea. And he's fired over the corner. Well, able to close down the shot. No two ways about it. A wild, wild attempt.
Well, it's so hard to get this right, and he just couldn't adjust his body quickly enough.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Playing advantage here. United keep it. Shaw. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful. Rafael Varane. Ronaldo. Now Pogba. Oh, that's a well-timed pass. Oh, that's a fine save. De Bruyne.
Well, there you can see City haven't been able to control possession, but when they have had it, they've looked so dangerous, particularly when they press high up the field, win the ball back in those areas, and then counter-attack quickly.
Well, he stopped them in their tracks. Gundogan. Commitment to passing and attacking. Gundogan. Crossed into the penalty area. And the problem not completely solved. Mahrez. Oh, great defending. Fine work from City to win the ball back. An alert intervention. Pretty simple for the keeper. Cristiano Ronaldo. It might be perfectly set up for the counter-attack, you know. And he's through here. There it is! A goal to reduce the arrears and give them hope that they can turn this round.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
Back in action then, and you sense United have the momentum at the moment. Good technique displayed. Chance to finish. No way through. Breaking at pace. And an effective clearance. Well, if you're wondering about added time, 2 minutes it'll be. Bruno Fernandes. Might be able to set up the chance. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. Well, no doubt about it, Stuart. Cristiano Ronaldo in the first half, deserving all the superlatives going.
Yeah, he's done okay in that first half. He's had a lot of the ball, he's used it well, and he's been energetic. But unfortunately, that can't be said about the rest of the team, who need to improve if they're going to turn this around.